Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this, how do you call it, a vacuum cleaner, but a small one. I bought this in Action here in Belgium. It's possibly that you can buy it everywhere. It's called Severin. I think it costed 20 euros or something. It's quite cheap. I liked one function. I read it here that it's compatible with water. So yes, I was very interested in that. I already wanted to buy one a few years back, but I never had the time or chance to buy it. And now I saw this product, so I picked it up. Always never put into your body. Keep it away from your heart and stuff like that. So if you light that you don't have any damage to you. And also don't cut too deep, because if there are cables, then you can maybe damage something in the box. So what is in the box? Some pieces, some mounts for cleaning that you can put onto the device. And this is the docking station. What I like to this docking station, it was not onto the picture. So I didn't saw this on the picture. You see, you don't see the docking station on the picture, and that's the first thing that I noticed when I bought this. Damn, it has no docking station, and I don't like that. But you see, it seems to be included. So the people that sell this have no good tactics to sell stuff, because if I would sell such a thing, I will put a picture onto this from that. So, but anyway, I bought it, so I picked it up, and here it is. So yeah. It's not that heavy. It feels good. It doesn't feel cheap or something. Here you have some tape to seal the buttons. So here is the system. We're going to see to that also. So this is the docking station. I think this you can put it out like that. It slides out like that, so that you can possibly connect it straight. And also don't forget to if you charge this before using this, always charge the battery fully. So let it in for 3 hours or something, put it into the electricity for 3 hours before you use it, because if you don't do that, it's possibly that you can limit your battery lifespan. So always fully charge your device. This is also a car charger. I saw this on the box here, card adapter, so I knew that this was inside of that, but this, the docking station, I didn't know. So these are the help pieces. There are 3 help pieces, but I only see here 2. Where is the torch? I'm not sure where the torch is. Maybe I put it somewhere. No, I don't see it. That's weird. I saw there were three pieces, and I only see 2. I'm not sure. They do it like that. Yes, it's like that. This is the third piece. You open it like that. So here you can use vacuum clean like this, and then you can put this like that. So this is the third piece. I will show you how big it is. So this is my finger. You see this is my finger. So, and this is the nozzle, or how do you call it? I think you have to slide it like that, and then you can, it's for cleaning maybe some small areas or your keyboard or stuff like that. People use it for all kinds of things. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks to vacuum clean some water. It has some nozzle to take up some water. It has better capture of water, I think. And this is also flexible, and this is hard plastic, and this is flexible. So yes. So this is the piece, you see it is for water, I think. And then here you can open it, I think, if you want to clean out the system. You can take the filter out and stuff like that, but I'm not going to show you all, because that's something you can do by yourself. So this is the system. Then the car adapter you can put in like this, I guess, and you can connect it to your car. So I believe this is 12 volt. Do not put it in 24 volts, because there is only 12 volt here, you see. And if you put it in a truck with 24 volt, the chance is very big that it is broken. So always use the correct voltage. So this is the system. And then you have also here some mounting screws inside, so that you can use. I always prefer to use my own, because these are cheap ones, and every box, if you buy something, they are cheap ones, and when you do it into the wall, it easily breaks off because it's cheap metal, and then you cannot remove it anymore, or you have to do a lot of work extra when you use bad screws like this. The plastic you can use, the plug plastic you can use, but be careful for the screws. So this is the manual. It is very clear. It is I think how do you call it, a quick start guide. So how you mount it and how you clean it. Here it is it's telling a charging time 10 hours. I think this is to be sure. There is possibly some built-in charger to optimal load the battery. So, and then you have here other papers still. I'm not going to read it all, but yeah. This is all kind of languages, and on the day of today they use QR codes to avoid such big papers, manuals. So this is all kind of loss of paper. So this I like, the quick start guide I like, because this is clear what you have to do to open this and to clean this, but this is some kind of waste, I call it. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes, laptops, Bluetooth stuff, computer stuff. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, because if you like this video you will get more from this content that you like, and yes, it also helps the channel. So and also please don't forget to check out our other videos, because we are also having other videos of this stuff and things like that. So subscribe to my channel or click on my name, and then you see the other videos also. Thank you and bye bye, and thank you for watching.